Hello all, welcome to today's video. Today I'll be discussing a very important topic related to asynchronous programming using task parallel library in C Sharp.net. So how can we make sure that all the parallel tasks that we want to execute have finished their execution? So normally what we used to do, we used to write this series of statements using that await. For in C Sharp, there is an effective or nicer way of dealing with this situation. How we can do it? We can use a static API called whenall, task.whenall, which is there inside task, and you can pass all the tasks which you want to execute in parallel. So therefore, task.whenall will return a single task and it will return only when all the tasks which are is given to it as arguments have completed its execution. Therefore, this is pretty useful to know to continue execution when all the parallel task has completed its execution. So whenever an asynchronous task passed to venall throws an exception, the task.venall will also throw an exception. The exception thrown will be of aggregate exception type. That's all for today's video. If you find this particular video helpful, do share with your friends and do like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. See you in the next video.